If you're looking forward to creating a website for a law firm or a legal practitioner, maybe a lawyer or an attorney, and you are looking forward to some of the best WordPress themes that you can use to create this kind of website, then in this video, I'm going to be showing you 8 of the best legal WordPress themes that you can use to create this kinds of website. The themes I'm going to be sharing with you comes with different demos that you can just pick from depending on the kind of website, the kind of design, the kind of functionalities or layouts that you want. Import them into your website, and then within few clicks and some changes here and there, your website will be ready, looking very clean and professional. So that's what I'm going to be walking you through in the course of this video. So all the things I'm going to be recommending, I'll leave a link to them in the description of this video so that you can check them out. All right, so without wasting time now, let's go ahead and check out some of the best legal WordPress theme. Okay, and before we do that, if you are new to this channel, if you are or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button right now so that you can subscribe to the channel and get notified when I release any video that has to do with WordPress digital marketing as a whole. All right, so with that, now let's take a look at the 8 legal WordPress theme. So number one on our list, we call it Libero. All right, so Libero is another WordPress theme. All right, so that's the first on our list. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to leave a link to all the themes in the description of this video. So once you come on the page like this, okay, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Now, if this is the theme that you want to pick, you'll see this option add to cart. So you just go ahead and click here to add to cart, and then you'll be prompted to create an account if you don't have an account with them. So once you are done creating an account, that will give you access to purchase the theme. And once you are done purchasing, you'll be able to download the theme files that you're going to upload into your WordPress site. All right. So it's really a simple process. Okay. So now let's go ahead and explore that. We have like a Libero. If you look at this theme, you can see 7 home pages, 20 inner pages, customizable element, and premium slides. All right. So let me show you some of the features for this theme. All right. So this is one of the demo sites that you're going to be getting access to once you purchase this theme. All right. So if you like this kind of layout and this kind of design, you can just go ahead and choose this particular one. You just need to update the information to yours. And if there's any section that you don't really want, okay, you can easily take them out. Okay. So this is another one that's looking very neat and professional. Now, if you click on that home page, you see that we have like 6 more home page design that you can actually choose from. All right. And if you look at under pages too, you know, there are a lot of pages that is available that has already been created. So what you just need to do is to pick the one that you want to use, if not everything. All right. So under elements, you're going to see different element that is available. We have our theme, video combination. You know, under practice area, there are different ways that you can set your practice area page to appear. Either the classic, under classic, we have 2 column, 3 column, 4, and then 4 column wide. Under modern, we have 2 column, you know, and then single, like that. Okay, so there are different layout, different design that you can achieve with this particular theme. You can have a button here, free evaluation, or you can just say contact us. You know, it all depends on you. We have social icon, the contact us. You know, this particular one is pretty much straightforward for anyone that come on the site. They just need your number real quick. They can find it here. They need your social. They want to know your opening time. Okay, so this layout makes a lot of sense. You can see if you are a lawyer or an attorney or something in that niche, you can have your pictures here, you know, a little description about yourself and the contacts of what's okay. So this is one of the things I'm recommending if you are looking forward to creating a legal or a law firm website. Okay. All right. So now let's go to the next one. So the next one is called O'Connor. All right. So this is another one. Over 1,000 sales as at the time of making this video. So now let's look at some of the features for this. Now here is one of the home page. It has 4 different home page design. Okay, and then other pages too are included. So if you scroll down now, let's take a look. All right, so recent cases, we have a contact section, a quotes, and then where you can display some of your other legal practitioners. All right, and maybe some of the organizations that you partner with or bodies that you are signed to. You can also have their logos here. You can have a blog section, and then there is your footer. All right, so here is another one, and you can take a look at some of the pages. All right, and this is available for $59. All right, so this is it, O'Connor. So you can also check this out. So next on our list is called Goldenblatt. Okay, lawyer and attorney WordPress thing. This is going for $79, and with almost 2,000 sales at the time of making this video. It comes with 6 fully responsive home pages. Okay, you can see it here. All right, so let's go through this. All right, so this comes with a demo site. All right, this is even different from homepage. So homepage basically changes the different homepage. Other pages could be the same thing, but for a demo site, you know, everything changes, and this is what this particular one is offering. So you can see here it has this is okay. 7 different demo websites that you can actually make use of. All right, so for this now, I can't really open all of them so that the video will not be too long, but you can just take your time to explore all the demos that are here so that you can see which of these demo actually fits the kind of design, kind of layout, okay, that you want, okay, or the content that you want to share on your website. All right, so do also check this out. All right, so this is looking very, very good. Right, and you can see it here. All right, so if you like, if there's a particular design or layout that you like and the color did not match yours, you can easily, change the color from your customization option within the website. Okay, and this also works with RTL. So you can see for this particular demo now, it's written in Arabic. All right, so that's language written from right to left. That's letting you know this thing supports right to left. Right to left rather. That's RTL. Okay, so that's it on Golden Blatt. All right, so the next one is called Lezoria. So Lezoria, this has a very good number of sales, over 6,000 sales. All right, so now let's look at feature for this. Okay, so this also comes with different demo. We have about 4 different demo. Okay, so different demos that you can actually take a look at. And apart from that, you can see it's compatible with Revolution Slider, BP Press, your BPML, and all these other plugins that you actually make use of. Okay, so again, you can just click on it to check out some of the different designs for all of these demos. Okay, so guys, I hope you are finding value. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. Okay, all right, so next is called Atoni. Okay, it's actually called Atona. That's the name of the theme. Okay, over 4,000 sales, and this is for $66. All right, so let's look at the features for this. It comes with some prebuilt website. Let's take a look at some of the prebuilt websites. Okay, so you can see it here. That's about 5 or 6 demo websites. So you see that all the sales, they have different kind of layouts. Okay, you can see it here. So you can I'll just say you should just go through it and look at all of them. All right, so in terms of other features, intuitive and amazing page builder. All right, so if you scroll down, many items and options. Okay, reusable element, 21 header style, so you can set whichever style you want to use, free lifetime updates. So you're going to be getting this plugin, Revolution Slider. Okay, you're going to be getting them for free, which will be saving you $134. All right, so these are the other core features: fully responsive, maintenance mode option, WP Live customizer, unlimited color, Google fonts, SEO, sales gallery layouts. Okay, so a lot of other things that you're going to be getting for $66 when you go with this thing. Okay, so before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you're going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinger to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinger is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are 3 plans. There are 3 packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those 3 packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right. So now let's continue with our video. All right, welcome back. So now let's continue with the video. Now the next analysis is called Agbleze. All right, with over 3,000 sales, and this is going for $59. All right, so now let's check out some of the features for this. Okay, so this is one of the home page here for this particular one. If this makes sense to you, okay, it's actually good, but if it fits what you want to do, so just go ahead and just import it. All right, so you can just have an image of yourself and then short description. All right, so you can see it here. Meet our attorneys, or you can have meet our lawyers, meet our legal practitioner. You can just be creative with that. So you can see it comes with a slider in 4 columns. If you want it in 5 columns, 2 rows, you can also do that. Okay, and then you can see some of our clients, and then here is just the footer. All right, so this is looking good. Okay, there's a page separately for if you want to showcase your attorneys, and then there are different layouts, different designs that you can use for that. Okay, if you want to also make use of some short code for different sections, all the short code are embedded right here. You can just use that to check it out. Okay, all right, so that's it for this particular one called Agbleze. All right, so now let's move to the next one. The next one is called Themis. You can see this is a lawyer business WordPress theme. Okay, so now let me show you the features of this particular one. So this one thing I like about this is the uniqueness. So if you look at it, it's different from the regular kind of website that you find. You can see this is looking like more like a portfolio kind of website. You can see just the name. This is good for a personal kind of law firm website. Okay, maybe you are just yourself, and then just want it to be about you, where they'll be able to reach you, contact you. Okay, so you can see McAntony Private Law. So you can actually change this. Okay, you can change the logo. Okay, your phone number, about service, clients, blog. All right, and then just below it you can see the contacts. I've opened the particular page. You can see address, email, phone number, latest news, and the category. Okay, so it's actually a short kind of it's not a long page kind of website. Okay, so this is for the blog section. This is the layout. There are other layouts that will be available to you. Okay, so this is just one of the layouts. If you click on the contact page, you can see there are 2 different styles for the contact page, and then we also have other pages that you can also take a look at. All right, so you can see this is what the about page looks like. All right, so like I said, this is different from the regular kind of website that you find, meet our team, okay, and the likes. All right, so the last one on our list is called the lawyer. All right, this is almost 2,000 sales, going for $64. So now let's look at this also. So these are the demos that comes with this. It comes with 4 different demos. All right, so you can see this is the law, like this is like a personal kind of law website. Okay, maybe you want to put yourself at the front of the website, then you can also go for this. If you are representing a firm, this is what you can use, and then this other 2 demos. All right, and this particular one, all the demos actually works with RTL. You can see Arabic RTL. If you want to see the Arabic version, once let that open up, you can also make use of this particular demos to create that. All right, so you can see it's right here. So it's looking good in Arabic. Okay, All right. So with that, guys, we've been able to look at 8. Let me walk you through. I hope you find value in the video. All right. You see, we look at Libero, we look at Okono, we look at Goldenblatt, Alezoria, we look at Attorney, we look at Lawyer Base, Themis, and then the lawyer. All right. So let me know which of this theme you actually be working with or for your law firm or your legal practitioner kind of website. Okay. And then if you have any challenges picking a theme, one thing I always advise is you can choose it based on, I've mentioned in the course of the video, based on the kind of website you want to create, based on the cost of the theme. Because if you look at the prices, also the price varies. We have this to be 64, we have this to be 79, we have 49, we have 66. Okay, so you can choose them based on the price, based on some of the functionalities. Okay, even you can see the difference in prices. You should be expecting different features. Okay, that's the theme will actually have. So and you can also choose it based on the page builder. Maybe it's Elementor page builder, maybe it's Gutenberg, or maybe it's WP Bakery. All right, so these are some of the things that you also need to consider when picking any of the theme. But whichever one you want to pick from all these 8 that I'm recommending, they are all good to go because I've taken out time to look at all the available themes that we have and then shortlist them to these 8. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Also, don't forget, I'll leave a link to the themes in the description of this video and also to the hosting so that if you want to take advantage of the 75% discount and the free domain that you're going to be getting, so do make sure you check out for the link in the description of this video. So thank you very much once again. My name is Prosper and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.